Hey guys, welcome back to the Healthy Coverage Council. My name is Zach.
Tyler Abel.
And we are the Healthy Coverage Council, obviously. We're going to go ahead and we're going to dive right into what it means to have a solid monthly premium, what to expect when you're going about shopping for monthly premiums, and really what should you expect, of course, to have good coverage with a certain monthly premium. Now, obviously, there's a lot of factors when it comes to shopping for a monthly premium, and a lot of things that can change the amount that you actually have to pay for yourself or your family. So what we want to try to do is, of course, narrow down those options for you a little bit, help you make sense of it, and of course, when you go to actually shop for yourself, know that you're actually getting a good deal. Okay, so first thing we're going to start off with is probably the pretty standard ACA government plans, right? Those are the ones that most people know about. So we'll kind of start there as a generic starting point. Just know even those plans can vary a little bit as far as the monthly premium, right?
Yep, do your income and everything, and obviously age and whatnot.
Exactly.
But biggest thing, age and income.
Age and income, right? So for age, we want to give you a couple of pointers of really what to expect at certain ages, maybe certain family sizes. So to start us off, people maybe our age, right? Our age and also a guy, right? And Tyler's going to explain here in a second why I say a guy. But, what would you expect to pay here for a monthly premium for ourselves?
Well, for ourselves, the age, obviously probably around 24 to 26. It's probably going to be somewhere between about $200 to about $300, depending on age. But once again, the age gap is between 18 to 64 and a half. That is the age gap. Now, but for the men, it's going to be around $200 to about $300, depending on what you need. Now, do you want to talk about females?
Yeah, I mean, females, pretty simple. Yeah.
Same exact age, 24 to 26.
A little bit more expensive.
Yep, it's going to be around $240 to about actually $340.
Now, why is that?
Well, the biggest thing is, obviously, when it comes to males at younger ages, we are prone to not have as many health problems. We don't have any things like babies, maternity coverage and all that kind of stuff, and fertility. Don't have to really deal with that kind of stuff, and having to see our doctors on a more regular basis. So that's mainly the reason why. But this also comes into account. Ours is actually going to be, on the male side, it's going to be a lot more expensive in our older years, between the ages of about 50 to 64 and a half. Yeah. And then the females actually end up paying a lot less, which actually sometimes even about $200 less than us at our older ages, because we start having a lot of the health problems like colonoscopy exams and all that kind of stuff.
Heart conditions, all that stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, and basically it kind of just reverses. Men are cheaper when they're younger, more expensive when they're older. Women are more expensive when they're younger and cheaper when they get older. Pretty simple.